Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 18th April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which channel has partnered with public service broadcaster Doordarshan to simulcast its popular animation show Chhota Bheem on DD National? So it is Pogo. So Pogo headquarter present in Mumbai and Doordarshan headquarter present in New Delhi. Its chairperson is A. Surya Prakash and it was founded on 16th September 1959. Question number 2. Which bank will waive service charges for all ATM transactions made on its ATM and other banks' ATM up to 30 June 2020? So it is SBI. State Bank of India headquarters present in Mumbai. Its chairperson is Rajneesh Kumar. Question number 3. When is World Hemophilia Day observed in 2020? So it is on 17th April 2020. So each year it is observed to raise awareness regarding the disease and other hereditary bleeding disorder. So this year the theme is Get Plus Involved. Question number 4. Who has joined WWF Worldwide Fund India as its ambassador for environment education program? So it is Vishwanathan Anand. So Vishwanathan Anand is 5-time chess champion and recently he wrote a book. His biography is Mind Master. So some GK related to Worldwide Fund. It was founded on 29th April 1961. Its headquarters present in Vaud, Switzerland and president is Pawan Sukhdev. Question number 5. Willie Davis passed away recently. He was related to which sport? See, he was a footballer. Question number 6. Who has taken additional charges of Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited? So it is P.K. Purwar and he is also the chairman and MD of BSNL. Question number 7. Which of the following is the mascot for the 4th Asian Para Games? So it is Fei Fei. And 4th Asian Para Games is going to held in Hangzhou, China on October 9 to 15, 2022. Question number 8. Which of the following has developed a compact solid state sensor to detect the heavy metal ions in the water? So it is done by Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences. So what the device will do? It is a portable device which can help on-site detection in the remote area for heavy metal ions in the water. Question number 9. In which state or UTs will the plasma transfusion trial for treating corona patient be started soon? So it is in New Delhi. So New Delhi Chief Minister is Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor is Anil Vejal. Question number 10. Which of the following has suspended the Indian Premier League 2020 indefinitely due to the COVID-19 pandemic? So it is BCCI. BCCI headquarters present in Mumbai. Its president is our Dada Sourav Ganguly and secretary is Jai Shah. Question number 11. St. Teresa College in which state has launched an online campaign to get people talk about the positive aspects of coronavirus induced countrywide lockdown? So it is in Kerala. So Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Its CM is Pinarayi Vijayan and governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. So this college started a campaign named COVID Kuripukal. Question number 12. Government has decided to provide relief from payment of how many months rental to the small IT unit operating out of the software technology parks in India. So it is 4 months from 1st May 2000 from 1st March 2020 to 30 June 2020. Question number 13. India has decided to supply anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine to how many countries? So it is 55 countries. Question number 14. EPFO has processed 3,31,000 claims, disbursing an amount of over rupees 496 crore in just 15 days. What does F stands for? So what is the full form of EPFO? EPFO full form is Employee Provident Fund Organization. Its headquarters present in New Delhi and it was found on 4th March 1952. So F stands for fund. Next question. Question 15. Center has released how many crore rupees to the states and UTs under Manregas? So it is stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. So it is rupees 7,300 crore. Question number 16. Nirmala Sitharaman and our RBI Governor Shaktikant Das participated in the virtual session of the G20 Finance Ministry and Central Park Governors FMCBG meeting under the presidency of which country? So as you know, in 2020 the G20 host nation is Saudi Arabia. So the option is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia capital is Riyadh and its currency is Saudi Riyal. Question number 17. Who among the following has or have developed a disinfectant chamber from an old fridge named Zero Cove? So the answer is option D, both A and B. So both are from NIT Surathkal. Question number 18. The cricket board of which country is planning to launch a joint bid for 5 to 6 ICC events in the cycle that runs from 2023 to 2031 along with its counterpart from the UAE? So it is Pakistan. Pakistan capital is Islamabad, its currency is Pakistani rupee and Prime Minister is Imran Khan. And ICC headquarters present in Dubai, UAE, and it was found on 15th June 1909. Chairman is Shashank Manohar and CEO is Manu Shawnee. Question number 19. Which state will provide rupees 3,500 to each person stranded outside the state amid nationwide COVID-19 lockdown? So it is by Arunachal Pradesh government. So Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Its chief minister is Prema Khandu and governor is B.D. Mishra. So as you know, recently Bihar government also done the same thing. They will transfer 1,000 rupees to each person who are outside the Bihar during this lockdown period. So yesterday I have done one mistake. The capital of Switzerland is Bern, not Zurich. So this is the current affairs of 18th April 2020. So thanks for your time. I will attach this PDF in the description box. Be happy, stay safe at home and subscribe the channel.